I'm so skitzo, couldn't fuck with the kid like Joseph Fritzl. If you wanna take a bite, come and taste my schnitzel. Beat it up like the nuns until I dismiss ya. Acting like a mad dude, really just a shih tzu. Jumping to conclusions like the nits do. Been looking for my frog prince. Think I can kiss you, bunch of pussies like a cat lady. Smell a piss too. Look at all the bread, you should call me a forget. Why the long face? Your attitude's looking cat. What's the smell on you? Oh, the toilet, cause I'm shitting on them all like raw chicken here.
Can you taste it? Make you wanna beat it. Got me roasting for you, daddy, please come and baste it. Can you taste it? Make you wanna beat it. Got me roasting for you, daddy, please come and baste it. Baby, can you taste it? Please don't waste it, but please don't waste it. Can you taste it? Please don't waste it, but please just taste it.
Heard I'm derivative. Could you do your breathalyzer? Maybe it's a sedative. What's that about? You can see I'm competitive. Why would I saddle it? You could be the pot and I'll tell you what the kettle did. Cooking up a storm, got a deep fried dumpling. Think you can pump it? Can you buy me new Air Force? Take me on a junket. If you've got a lot of money, maybe we could spunk it. Remember, Big Daddy, I can walk the walk. I'll rage it so fast, have you nain like the loch. Not empty in your pockets, and your time will tick tock. All these limp wrist bitches couldn't fry me with a whack.
Can you taste it? Make you wanna beat it. Make you wanna beat it.